In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a wedding website in Squarespace. Let's walk through a simple, clear process so you can build a beautiful site that keeps your guests informed and excited. First, open Squarespace and start a new website dedicated to your wedding. When you create a new site, you'll land in the editor where you can immediately see how your pages will look. Think of this as your hub for everything your guests need to know in one place. Next, choose a wedding-friendly template or layout. Squarespace offers several designs made for events and celebrations. Look for a template with strong photo areas, a clean RSVP section, and easy navigation. Don't stress too much about perfection at this stage. You can customize fonts, colors, and sections later. Pick a design that matches your overall vibe, whether that's classic and elegant or modern and minimal. Now add the core pages you'll need: a home page, a story page, an RSVP page, and a details page. In the pages panel, create each page and arrange them in the order you want guests to see. Keep page names short and clear. You're just setting up the structure here. You'll fill in content next. Customize the site with your names, photos, and essential event information. Start with a welcoming hero section on the home page featuring your names and the wedding date and city, so guests instantly know they're in the right place. Add a warm introduction and a favorite photo. On the story page, share a brief version of your journey together, keeping it personal but concise. Use high-quality images and keep file sizes reasonable so the site loads quickly. Add the schedule, venue, and travel details your guests will need. Create a clear timeline for the wedding weekend. Think ceremony time, reception start, and any welcome or farewell events. Include the venue name, address, and an embedded map. Add practical notes like parking, accessibility, or dress code. For travel, list nearby airports, recommended hotels, and transportation options. If you have room blocks or discount codes, add them here so everything is easy to find in one spot. Review the site for clarity and ease of use. Click through every page, reading as if you're a guest. Check that key info is visible without too much scrolling, and preview on mobile to ensure everything looks great on smaller screens. Proofread names, dates, and times, and test any links or forms. When you're happy, publish the site and share it with your guests. Copy the link and include it on your save the dates and invitations. A short, simple URL is best. You're all set. Your wedding website is live and ready to guide your guests from "we're invited" to "see you there."